The stylish ladies' watch, model 434, is now out with a new look. See for yourself. Sinn Spezialuhren is celebrating its 60th anniversary. To present our latest innovations in our anniversary year, we're welcoming a special guest who's been a follower of our brand for decades, even when facing sports challenges at -40 degrees in Canada's Yukon Territory. He says about himself that he's fascinated by anything with gears: watches, bicycles, e-bikes, motorcycles, cars and motorhomes. So in other words, toys for big boys. Technology is in his blood. His career began at Porsche. Later, he packaged this passion in expert terminology. As a hired journalist for daily papers at first, the Motor Press in Stuttgart, and for the DPA. For 20 years, he's been writing and photographing freelance for, among others, the German wristwatch trade journal Armbanduhren and the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung. He has a personal foible for chronographs and technical innovations. His reports are authentic and hands-on, because he always writes about his own experiences with the product. That's why we appreciate him so much and are thrilled to meet up again with Martin Häußermann.
We're in our anniversary year and have given my favourite model for ladies a new blue dial.
Why is it your favourite model?
Because it has new technical content. It's even a quartz watch. That's unusual for Sinn. But we have shielded this quartz mechanism from outside to inside, magnetic field protection, but above all from inside to out. Because what not many know, a quartz mechanism radiates. Every second, a small magnetic field surge. And nerves, as electric conductors, pick up on these, and there is a homeopathic electric shock in your arm. That doesn't bother most people, but when you know it, it can bother you. So here we've shielded against this. That can't be measured, even with lab equipment. It can't be measured what still comes out of this in magnetic field radiation.
So it's sort of invisible health protection.
Something like that. This is why we've chosen a quartz movement, because it lets us design the watch to be wonderfully flat. Every other mechanism would be built up taller.
Yeah, and that also helps make it, although it's here now with a massive bracelet, really comparatively light.
There's something else to say about this quartz movement. It's from the ETA, and it's a quartz movement with the highest precision, with temperature compensation, meaning if you just let the watch run, it would run about 2 years on the battery. Then it would run every year only plus minus 10 seconds maximum.
That is sensational precision.
Now to the case options. The dial is new, the colour of the dial is new. Here we have rimmed the glass in 18 karat gold.
Is it all gold or leaf?
All of it. All in gold, 18 karat gold. And here in this case, yellow gold, as you can see. With the blue, it creates a lovely effect, I think.
Yes, that is a beautiful contrast between the warm gold tone and the cool blue. So another question about the dial. Is it coated?
The coating is galvanically generated.
Oh, galvanic generated.
A blue coating is very susceptible to UV light. And so, when we make blue, we then create that blue metallically, meaning galvanically. And then it is resistant to UV radiation.
So that the colour still looks beautiful even after 10 years.
And here we have a white gold ring furnished with 68 top Wesselton diamonds. Those are diamonds in the top Wesselton quality. 68 of them, and rimmed in white gold.
With both these models,
18 karat white gold here.
You probably have to treat them a bit more carefully. If they're on top is so lovely.
Yes, but the watch is still waterproof. The model has been available for quite a while now, but not with this beautiful blue dial.
434 series, the stylish ladies' watch with blue dial. High precision quartz movement, temperature stabilized. Special Q technology, which means shielding the electromagnetic pulses emitted by the quartz movement. Appliques meticulously attached by hand. Sapphire crystal glass. Waterproof and pressure resistant to 10 bars.